Hey guys, we're going to be showing you how to crimp your hair with a flat iron or straightener, same thing. And what you're going to need is a straightener, a brush or a comb, and some hairspray at the end if your hair is kind of hard to hold, because Jasmine has like straight hair and her hair doesn't really stay if we curl it or crimp it. And I'm using Tresemme Extra Firm Control. So yeah, what you want to do first is go ahead and brush or comb all of your hair. Okay, so once you're done brushing it, you're going to want to, since Jasmine has a lot of hair, we're going to kind of section her hair off and start with the bottom half. So you can just kind of do like a ponytail with the top half of your head, your hair, like that. And then I have these sectioning clips. Just look like that, so I'm just going to take that and just kind of pin it down. Okay, and then you're going to take a section of hair, and you want to do little sections at a time so that it comes out nice and it doesn't look bad. So you start and you're just kind of gonna twist up and then twist down. So twist up and hold, and then slide it down and twist down. Doing that all the way down. It looks like there's a lot of like smoke coming out because my AC is right in front of us, so it kind of just blows it. But this is basically what it comes out to look like. So I'm going to go ahead and do the whole section of her hair. Crimping the bottom half of her hair. I don't know if you can see from the lighting because it's kind of bad, but let me go over here. It's basically crimped. Yeah, her hair doesn't really stay, so we have to use hairspray. So yeah, but as you can see, that's how it turns out. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do the top, and then we'll show you guys the finished result. We're done. I finished crimping her hair. This is what it looks like. And I just sprayed it with hairspray so that it would stay because her hair doesn't really hold. But as you can see, wait, Jazz, hold on, let me pick this up. As you can see, it's all crimped. Oh, you can see the mirror, but yeah. And that's that.